This video is going to cover Cryptohopper's multi-level affiliate program, which helps you save on your subscriptions whilst promoting Cryptohopper. In this video, you will learn what is an affiliate program, how does Cryptohopper's multi-level affiliate program work, how to use affiliate links and affiliate payments. What is an affiliate program? Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company compensates third-party publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products or services. The third-party publishers are affiliates, and the commission fee incentivizes them to find ways to promote the company. How does Cryptohopper's multi-level affiliate program work? To promote and earn affiliate income with Cryptohopper, you will need to create an affiliate link. You can share your affiliate link on a website, email, YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, or any other social platform. A cookie will be placed in their browser with your affiliate ID when someone clicks on the link. If they create an account within 30 days and they purchase a subscription, the affiliate will receive up to 15% of the Hopper subscription costs. This will continue indefinitely, even when a user stops using Cryptohopper for a month or even a year. Cryptohopper offers a multi-level affiliate program. The first level is the user you introduce to Cryptohopper. The first level has 3 tiers. Below $500 of monthly affiliate commissions, you will receive 10%. After $500 of monthly affiliate commissions, you'll be upgraded from 10% to 12.5%. After $1,000 of monthly affiliate commissions, you'll be upgraded from 12.5% to 15%. When your monthly affiliate commissions drop below the amounts mentioned before, you will be downgraded accordingly. This percentage is automatically adjusted each month. The second level is the users that you refer, who then go on to refer additional new users. When this happens, you will earn 50% of your first level affiliate percentage. So when you usually receive 15% for your own conversions, you will get 7.5% from your referred conversions. For example, when you convert a user to a Hero Hopper subscription, you'll get 15% of $99. Now, if the person that you converted has a Hero Hopper subscription conversion, then you will get 7.5% of $99. Go to cryptohopper.com/affiliate-program for more terms and conditions. How to use affiliate links. To create an affiliate link, click on Affiliate Program in the menu on the left. Under Accounts, you can create an affiliate link. It's important to mention that the affiliate percentage is determined per affiliate link, so they act separately when looking at the tiers. A standard affiliate link looks like this, but you can also use the link like this. It works with all Cryptohopper URLs, except for Cryptohopper's documentation. Cryptohopper offers many options to use the affiliate links. For example, banners can be found under Affiliate Program. Widgets can be found at cryptohopper.com/website-widgets. You could become a marketplace seller and create a Cryptohopper related website, or use the Crypto Tweeter to tweet your trade results on Twitter automatically. Affiliate payments. The affiliate payments show how much you have earned for promoting Cryptohopper. The final amounts can differ slightly due to refunds. Remember that it takes 4 to 6 weeks before funds will be added to your Cryptohopper balance shown under subscriptions. Once you've earned more than $75, you can request a payout. The payouts can be requested twice a month and will be processed on Mondays. Now you know about our affiliate program. Today, you've learned what is an affiliate program, how does Cryptohopper's multi-level affiliate program work, how to use affiliate links, and how affiliate payments are processed.